Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy an element of a design to a new canvas that you are working on. In case you want a full design or just part of a design, which is like an element, you'll be able to do this by the end of this video. But before I do that, guys, I'll ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. If you're new here, my name is Steve from stephenjonesy.com. I post 2 videos a week just to help you learn something new each week so that you can get yourself to the next level of what you are doing. Without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, I'm on Canva's homepage, canva.com, and I've got all these different templates. But what we're doing is to copying an element from an existing design that we have. So I'll go to the designs that I have. I already got one design here that I'll copy. So this is from an ebook that I've created. So I'm just going to copy maybe this page here, page 3, and see how it goes. So the first thing that I need to do obviously is to create an empty canvas, or to open an empty canvas that we're going to copy this onto. So go to file there, and then go to new design, and then I think this is the right measurement. This is in centimeters though. It should be fine. 21 centimeters by 29.7. So that should be good. So I'll click on create design. Then it opens up a plain canvas that we will try and work on. Then let's go back to our design. So this is the design that we have. So now the trick is here. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to click on the canvas and then drag our mouse to make sure we highlight everything that is in that design. And then you can see all different lines coming up. So then let go and then copy that. If you are using a Mac, Command and C, and then you go to the new canvas that we just opened, and make sure it's highlighted. You'll see the blue lines around it, and then click on it to paste that design you just copied. So it should pop up there. As you can see, it's all popped up there. There's all the elements are still grouped together, which is good. So you can move around to make sure your design is in the middle. You'll see the purple line coming like when you're in the middle. So then you can either you drag the size or play around and see how you want it to stay. It's up to you how you want to play around with it, because it's a new design. It's into a new canvas, so you can play around with it to make sure you get the feel and the look that you want for your new design that you are working on. Then you can obviously start changing and customizing it. You can click on the actual text there to change the text. You come up here and change the font if you like, and then you can change the font size as well. There, if you want to change this color, there you click on the actual element there, and the color will pop up here, and then you can then change the color that you want, change to the color that you want. So that's how you do it. If you think that color was okay, you can go back there, but basically that's what you do to copy an element or a design into a new canvas. This is the other way that I want to show you again. So we'll go to a different design that I have here. I've got this Pinterest pin that I'm working on about how to start a blog. So I will do the same with this one. I will go to file and create an empty canvas so that we can work on. I will do the same. I will go back to the design that we want to copy from. So this is the design. So I'm going to highlight the same way I did with that one. And then I'm going to copy. As you can see, this one, all the highlighted now comes to the middle, to that middle element that is in. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'll copy these again, Command C. If you are using a Mac, then come back to the empty canvas, make sure it's highlighted, you see the blue around it, and then paste or Command V. So as you can see now, only the elements have come up onto this design, this canvas. So I just put it in the middle there. So, but we want the whole thing, don't we? So what we need is to get that photo, the background photo. So you can either copy, now you don't select the whole thing, you just select the entire canvas. You will highlight the outside of it, then you copy that, and then come back to your new canvas, and then make sure it's all highlighted as well, and then you can paste that. It should come out. As you can see, there you go. So that's the easier way of doing. That's the other way rather of doing it. Or you can, instead of copying that photo now, because it's a new design, you want a different photo. I will show you what you can do. I'll remove that. I'll remove that background. Then you can come here to photos, photos there, and then pick up a photo. Okay, let's do that. You can click on it, it will come here, or you can drag it, and then you can make it as a background. You see, that's it. That's a different pin completely. So then you can customize it using, as I was saying, the text, the font size, and the different colors that you want. You know, you can play around with it and create an amazing pin. And then that's your new design that you want, and then you can create more with the same design. Now you can then create, or what you can do, I'll take that out. You can you've highlighted that. You can duplicate if you like, but that's another video. I'll show you next time. But this is what I wanted you to know, that you can copy an element or an entire design to a new canvas that you're working on and create the different templates that you want to use at a later stage. So that's how you do it, guys. If you've got any question, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment below. And also you can send me an email or a message on my social media platforms. I appreciate you being here, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. You take care. Bye.